What's up YouTube? It is your boy Lopes and welcome back to another video, and today we are making a video about my 2018 Civic SI. We are showing you the mod list and what I've done, and I've had it just about over a year, so it's nothing crazy, but I've done quite a few things. I hope you enjoy and let's get into it. Alright, I'm gonna grab my phone just in case I forget something. I'll probably forget something anyway. Let's start off with the mods that we have. We're gonna start off with exterior. So let me just give me 1 second, let me get the phone. I haven't done anything too crazy, but I'm happy with the results I have so far. So let's start with exterior. So we have the Work CRA Kais with the custom center caps I got there. They are 18 by 8 plus 38. Not my favorite spec, but I couldn't pass up the deal in getting them. If you don't know how I got them, go watch the video. Might do a spacer on it to space them out just a little bit, just because they sink a little too much into the wheel well and I kind of want to get it flush. So that's what I was thinking with that. The tires on there are some Chinese tires, nothing the greatest. I ain't gonna tell you guys, there's no point. Unless, okay, I'll tell ya. They are 235/40. I know I could go a lot more aggressive, but I didn't want to roll the fenders or the quarters, so we went with a tire like that just for now. So yeah, that's my tire setup. I'm on D2 springs, as you guys know. Previous videos we've done it and it looks perfect. It rides great. I've had it over a year. I drove through winter. I've had zero issues with it and I highly recommend D2. I don't know about the other products, but the springs are great. I have no problems with the springs. We've done the chrome delete. A ton of you guys were asking for us to do it and we finally did it and it looks amazing. Made the car like so much more sleek. I don't know why it didn't come from factory like that, but Honda, if you're listening, just make it black. No one likes a chrome. If they like the chrome, they'll buy a chrome accessory, right? We got the Mugen R style visors, or the Mugen style visors. They go really well with the car because they're sleek and aggressive, just how I'm kind of making the car look, you know. So we have the Type R rear window visor. I'm not trying to be a Type R, but I like the way it looks. It's sleek again. It's a little different. Not many people are using it, and I like the way it looks on the sedan. It complements the body lines. And it complements the side skirts, which are the Type R style as well, and the front lip is a Type R style carbon. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be a Type R. I know some of you guys probably hate that, but it looks good. What can I say? I like it. We have the red Honda badges, which obviously, you know, a lot of us do. It looks pretty good. No complaints on that. I have the clear LED side markers. They're the switchback ones. They're pretty cool. They complement the front end like way more than the orange. It goes with the headlights, which are OEM factory, which I get a lot of questions about them. So in Canada we get the LED ones and we are super lucky, but we do pay a premium for the SI compared to you guys, so that's the difference. We have LED fog lights and I kept them clear. I've been debating on kind of like tinting the headlights and the fog lights, making it super aggressive, but I think the clear just stands out and pops quite nice. And the final thing we've done for the exterior is I did the Japan glass coating. I did a video on it. It's been holding up pretty well. Not the best, but not the worst, I would say. I would maybe go ceramic coating next time, but it is still pretty good. The car still looks really fresh. So if any of you guys want to know, the tint on the car, the rear is 5% and the two windows are, or the front and back windows are 25%. I can still see through them. Really like the way they look. Really complements the black in the car. Thanks buddy, sounds great. So yeah, so that is it for the exterior of the car. Let's get into what's under the motor, which isn't a lot, but you guys are gonna know anyway. So if you guys have been keeping up with the channel, you do know what's going on and what's the mod list so far. So we have a PRL Cobra intake, Sounds amazing. It's probably one of my favorite mods, hands down. You don't have to get a blow-off valve. It sounds just as good. Don't worry about it. Just do this. Trust me. We have that. We have the PRL front pipe, down pipe, muffler delete with custom tips. It sounds great. It's a little loud for my likings. You get a lot of pops and stuff, all the popcorn, you know, pa 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 pa, which is absolutely great. Sounds amazing, but it's a little too loud and a little too raspy. This is my daily at the end of the day. That is the loud race car, but this is my daily. So this is why I may go with an exhaust that's a little quieter. Maybe you guys might guess what I'm thinking. If you know what I'm thinking, mark it down below or comment down below. I have a K tuner. It's the V2 unit with the actual unit itself. I have the TSP stage 1 tune, and I was data logging, and everything looks fantastic, even with the PRL Cobra intake and the down pipe and front pipe and all that. So just so you guys know, if you guys are doing that, the TSP tune is compatible with it, and we do have a few more bolt-ons going onto the car coming very shortly. If you guys have any ideas, comment down below again. So there you go. I'm gonna do a few sound clips here so you guys can hear it start up, a few revs. And yeah, I'll probably put a clip of the car flying by here as well so you guys can hear that as well. But that is the engine modification as of now. I have the Type R steering wheel with carbon fiber trim on it. It looks really, really good. It feels so much better in the hand. It is thicker than the SI, but it is thicker than the SI, and it feels good when you're holding it. And it sounds so inappropriate, but yeah, you guys will see. It is great. I highly recommend if you can get your hands on it, or the Buddy Club one with a bit of carbon is really nice as well. We have carbon trim all throughout the car. It is just the eBay stuff. It's nothing fancy. Sorry, I know some of you guys are gonna hate it, some of you guys are gonna love it, but it looks fantastic. It hasn't faded. I've had zero issues with it, and I know a few companies that sell for very, very expensive and people have issues. So I went with that. The Mac Daddy itself, the thing I was super excited. My other favorite mod is the Acuity short shifter with the Esco T6 shift knob. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. Like how you can customize it is amazing. I highly suggest you guys get it if you're into short shifters and whatnot. I had the Type R shifter with the Acuity adapter, and it felt good too. But this helps eliminate a lot of that crunch that you guys know I'm talking about going into second gear. It feels so good in like your hand shifting. I have zero complaints on it. I'm gonna do a review on it shortly, just because it does work in a little bit, and then we're gonna do a video dedicated to that, and then you guys are gonna know how I like it and my little review on it. All right, so that is it. It is not a huge mod list, but it is a mod list. There's a lot of things I do want to get. Let me know what you think my next mod is gonna be. Let me know what would you like to see on the car as well. Maybe we can make that happen. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was probably not the longest video, but at least we got an update on the car. Let me know if you guys want me to do like my top 5 mods on the car, or anything along to do with this car or that car. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I do have a lot upcoming as well. I have a lot of mods waiting to be installed, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Later.